So here at Everglades today, we design, build, and service very high quality, luxuriously appointed center console offshore fishing boats. Our boats are really designed with a no compromise approach where they have best in class fishing features and then are also loaded with creature comforts and family amenities to really support everything that you might do on the water. All of our Everglades boats are built with the proprietary ram cap construction process. So ram cap yields a single piece, rigid hull structure that's very stable on the water, it's unsinkable, and it rides like no other boat. Fiberglass lamination in general is a very labor-intensive process. It's also a very time-sensitive process. There's certain chemical bonding windows that you have to meet, there's certain lamination schedules. So in order for our lamination crews and our team members to be able to stick to that schedule and achieve those goals, they have to have all of their resources, all of their tools, all of their materials, all of their PPE, all have to have that readily available without any hiccups, which we've had some of those struggles in the past. But these new Fastenal solutions that we've implemented have really eliminated a lot of that, and it's really improved our throughput and our efficiency.
In their prior process, they didn't have a full scope on what products they were buying, which departments these products were getting used in, which made it difficult for them to make smart business decisions on ways they can improve their process or what they're spending their money on.
We've got 50 machines on site. Every employee has a badge that they use to access all of our doors. So that same badge, they can swipe at the machine or enter their ID number, and whatever item that they take out of those machines is then logged and tracked, and it's sent out to us in our weekly reporting. Right now we've got really good traceability. We know where things are going, we know who's taking them, and we also know if we don't need something. This is never being used, so it's not needed in that area. We can fill that area with just the things that they need, so they're not hunting through things. It's efficient for the people on the floor to find what they need when they need it.
The employees now can concentrate fully on the quality of their work and the quality of building the boats rather than chasing little shop supplies. It takes that wasted time out of the equation, so now all we're doing is building boats.
We have a Fastenal on-site here at the facility where we have about 1,500 square foot of space dedicated to just Fastenal, where we keep all of their products that they need throughout the facility. And we are able to have 3 Fastenal employees here at all times throughout the week so that we're constantly going through and filling their vending machines. We have the product right here that we pull from, and we're able to go and make sure that they have what they need to get their job done.
We may run out of something for an unforeseen reason, and they can quickly come over to the crib, get that item and bring it back and restock them within hours, not days or overnight shipping or anything like that. We have it here on site, so it's really advantageous for us. It's a whole warehouse. Doesn't require any extra added effort on our part. So far, the biggest win and achievement that we've had has been keeping items in stock at all times, keeping our people working, us being able to control our cost and understand where our money's being spent.
Big picture, it allows our production staff and even our management staff also to just stay focused on actually building boats and getting boats through the assembly process and getting them out the door. It ensures that they have all of the tools and resources and materials that they need to stay focused on the task at hand and do the best job they can to build a fantastic boat.